So we're done here. And for the FTP, I'm not sure if that's how it is, so let's check just server selection. So this is server selection, by the way, so let's just copy this and so here it's disabled, so we want to use allows use FTP use more memory. So of course we want to use this ideal memory constraint. Let's support TLS. This is recommended only if you require additional relationships, but force reduction not available. So I believe this is the one for us. Trappers, fast loading time. So this will be the one for us. So let's save it. And it should be all good to go. So that's it.